Hey guys, welcome here. Today I've been making another video, but I'm not recording in a long time. I just getting a new house. So next video I'll be doing a house tour. But you hear this pop? It's my bone. Look, ready, steady. Oh, you heard that? Oop. Sometimes I can't do it. Sometimes I can't. Ooh, there we go. Pop my bone. Wait, that's real pop. I was just using bubble wrap to make it sound like a book. I love bubble wrap. Alright, enough with the weird stuff. So let's play some Toilet ASMR too. But you're wondering, right? I am right by a window. And yeah, I'm on top of a bunk bed. I'm in perfect room. See, bang right there. I'm on top of a bunk bed. And look, it makes noise. Here, you hear it? Please don't hear it. That's the bunk bed. No other beds make noise like this. It's a wooden bunk bed. I like it. I slept on it 5 times. That before I had internet. But let's just here with the video. Yeah, I just finished my dinner. But no more telling Epstein. We don't have any stories to tell. But I'll be good too. And over no. Rockford no, but Wakefield. Yeah, I got the 2 Click merch. Because I'm a 2 Click fan. And no one needs to check. Hey, what's my friend? Oh my god, a friend. A friend is in the game. Oh my god. Yeah, that's my friend. I don't know where he is. How many cops are there? Only one, I guess. Whee! Alright. I'm gonna get my car out. Oh, crap! Yellow. No, I don't like yellow. Let's go for blue. White. Nah. Blue? Oh, there. Yeah, blue. Oh, we just got a storm cloud. Storm cloud. Whoa. And that cop needs to turn off his siren. There's no one speeding. Ooh. I better pick a house real quick. I better block that. No, I guess no more car running. Okay, my house. The radar. We're at the Fleet State 4 Tower. Nothing wrong. But it's on the camera. Alright. Are we gonna have a tornado too? Tornado camera VIP. No. And there's a car. Is my car still there? Yes, indeed. And That's my friend. Hey, friend. He's a YouTuber, but he don't have Robux on that account because that's not his main account. But he do have a main account. What do have Robux on it, like a lot. But I don't want you guys to know his Robux account because that might be rude and you might be spamming, shouting him if you add him to call him ugly on his other account, but that account, I don't want that to. Is he wearing cute hats? Oh my god! What are you doing, dude? Oh crap! Severe thunderstorm. TV, lightning. 12 seconds ago, 13 seconds ago, 14 seconds ago, 15 seconds ago. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This. What I'm gonna do arrow what he did and did. Did. Oh crap! Wait. Ooh, storm. Oh, tornado watch. Where's the funnel? Where's the funnel? Where's the funnel? Oh crap! Oh crap! Crap! Oh, boom! Hey, sorry, that was my grandma. Not moving. That might need moving. No, it's not. No. Where is the funnel? Funnel, where are you? Where did my friend went? Oh, come on in. There he is. Oh crap! Funnel! 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 We got a funnel, guys! We got a funnel, boys and girls! We got a funnel! We don't know if it's gonna turn into a tornado or not, but right now, still walk forward. But not walk forward. But right now, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. I hope this does not turn to a tornado. Then everything will be bad. Like my friend said, walk forward is no good today. Tornado. Sorry, turning you off. Are you gonna go off? Hello? Oh, there we go. Oh, crap. Watford is gonna die. Tornado cam. Yeah, tornado cam. Oh crap. This will glitch again. Boom. Tornado cam. It's moving very slow. Dude, I could drop straight into the tornado. Is it? I don't know. Oh. What do? Oh, the copper. Watch out for the copper. The cop. It's going to shelter. Is this gonna get big? Cause I'm at max. This is gonna get. Oh, dude, don't do it. Don't go for the tornado. Oh, it just got bigger. It just got bigger. It just got bigger. Wait a minute. It's coming to Andover. I see it. See it, but I must stay in my house and try to survive a tornado in my house. Dude, no! Dude, are you crazy? Are you crazy? No. Is he? Oh my god! Luckily, the tornado is not touching him. Or he would be dead. Oh, it's slowly coming towards me. But I'm gonna be okay. I'm way far away from me. If it comes to the blue car, the house, the blue car, I'm dead. I'm dead. Straight up dead. It's gonna be dead. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Already 12 minutes. Wow. Oh my god. It's bigger. It's super big. What kind of tornado is it? It's an oh. Gee. It's an EF2. Plus, I might want to run. I need to run fast, boys. No. I almost died. I almost died. I said I almost died. Oh, jeez. What is it? I'm going to save them. I'm going to save them. Ah, you do that. It's an EF2, guys. We have an EF2. Wow. It is a PDS tornado. Wow. This is not going to be good if it turns to an EF5. Then the entire town would get wiped out in one hit, I think. I'm saying this is not good. Guys, I'll do a part 2. I'm almost running out of time. So yeah, I'll see you on part 2.